Hi guys, welcome back to Design Engineer Studio, and in today's video we want to learn how to create this simple but unique political flyer design here on Pixel Lab. So without taking much of your time, let's jump right into the video. So we'll be selecting our new Canva here. So click on cancel. So I'll come to my new design over here. Everything will be dropped in the description box on our normal Google Drive for you guys to use. Okay, so we'll first start from this. This is the image I used. We have to resize this. Okay, so the next thing is to come over here and reduce the opacity, not that much, of 7 is okay. So now we have this. So we are going to log this and start importing our models. Okay, this is the models where I'm going to remove their backgrounds. Come to my photo room. Click on OK, import, click on OK and import. So I'll click on this normal size and I'll click on OK. So now it's time to arrange our models. Okay, don't forget to vote during the election period, guys. Okay, make sure you vote wisely. So first of all, we have our first model over here. Okay, let's hide this. You already get the trick. So now they are working together. Do you know there are some ways we do blend backgrounds that I've explained on some of my previous video? When you come to this shape menu here and you blend it this way, this kind of method, I hope you guys still remember. And what you can notice here is that it doesn't at times it doesn't really work well. Okay, when you use this kind of blending technique, at times it doesn't work for every design. So I'm going to review to you another method of blending. Anyway, I've explained on some of my previous videos. It's for those that are coming right now. So come to shape, you select the circle and reduce the opacity. So increase the stroke and increase the blur radius over here. So what we need to do is to move this to till the circle is closed. I hope you get the trick. So then you click on white, so click on OK. So now we have this. But before blending, you would notice there is a light ray coming over here, over this area. Okay, so that's what we want to do now. So what we need to do is to move this light flare. Okay, so now we have it and we are going to change the color. Let's move to our color over here and click on color. We'll come to our default orange here. This is it. Okay, so we need to let's look at our model. and now we reduce the opacity. A bit. So now click on OK, make a copy of it, and we'll apply the same over here. Okay, do you really get it? Okay, so now here is it. So we need to lock the two. So I'll make a copy of them again and of the main color here. So it's time to blend. I'll come to my opacity and increase it. So it's now in its full size. Make a copy, then start blending. You would notice this kind of blending is unique and it works mostly for every design. So you can go try that out. If you are just learning that, let me know in the comment section. Okay, and don't forget to cast your vote, guys. Don't forget to cast your vote. So I'll be locking this. Okay, I'll mark this instead so that they will be grouped as one file. Okay, so I'll click on merge and merge it. Okay, now we are going to lock this. So the next thing is to start working on our text. Recently someone asked me how I create this 2023 effects. So for those that are just learning it, I'm going to drop, that's what we'll be revealing this time. Okay, so now write 2023 and click on done. Okay, so the font I'll be using is Stretch Pro. You can go to Google and get these fonts. So I'll come to my color over here and click on my plus icon. Then I will move the main color, the third color over here, and move it down here to the extreme. So it's not having color. I'll click on OK and OK. So the next thing I do is come to my stroke over here. Then I will enable this stroke of 3 is okay. So then I'll be using this green. It's also the main green over here. Is a default green. It's the same as this. I'll click on OK. So then I will center align this. Okay. So we import our text again. The hope. I'll click on edit. The hope. Click on done and done. So I'll change that font to Stretch Pro. We change our color to this green. Make a copy of it of all Nigerians. And when you are voting, remember to stay safe, guys. Okay, so I'll make a copy again. Vote wisely. Vote wisely. Click on OK and OK. So now we can hide this. So click on this. So this is the color code we are using, and the color code for this is 0f0f, then I'll click on OK. Okay, so let's hide this. Then it's time to align this relative. Okay, so you have to do this a bit and center align it. Work on the position. Vote wisely. So we need to align this again and move this up there. So now we are done. We are done, guys, but we need to align these models. So now they are aligned. Okay, we click on OK. But this is not the final result. This is not the final result. This is how, after I'm done with the editing, I taught you guys on some of my videos. This is the final result after I've enhanced the image. So remember to like the video, guys, and see you guys next week Friday. Keep creating. Bye.